feel hopeful that we can bring innovation to patients that used to take years down to months, so that patients can benefit from clever ideas and innovation. Hi, my name is Riad Armanious and I'm the CEO of EVA Pharma.
So I want to look at the history of EVA Pharma, and even though it was established in 1997, it is a company that's based on one of the largest and oldest in Egypt, spanning over 100 years. So tell me about the transition into EVA Pharma on the back of a company that was just such an important part of the creation of pharmaceuticals in the country.
You're absolutely right. Our company has been in healthcare, in pharma for over 100 years. We started in 1917 with a simple distribution company. By 1935, there had been a company licensed in Egypt, one of the first in Egypt, one of the first on the African continent in the manufacturing of finished pharmaceutical products. Unfortunately, we got nationalized in the 60s, so we had to restart, but today we are one of the significant developers, manufacturers, distributors of medicines in the north of Africa.
I mean, it's not only the pharmaceutical space that is trying to find local solutions to, supply that you would normally import. Do you think that is going to be a very important trend that is going to emerge out of the pandemic?
You know, we started to work on this to localize manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients. We actually designed, built, sourced reactors, licensed, manufactured active pharmaceutical ingredients for one of our main products, which is a product for, the main antiviral product for COVID19, remdesivir. This is one of the examples where we had to look internally to localize, but we're working with different partners to make sure that that we can be self-sufficient within our city and our country, and hopefully within the continent.
Yeah, I mean, look, we're talking about a company that is about, over 100 years old. So you obviously have the capabilities, you have the know-how, but reaction to this pandemic, you've got to do very fast and you have to take very big decisions.
Yes, absolutely. Look, we are a group that has a lot of history. We have different capabilities, but we've become a very different company. Just to respond to COVID-19. Most of the products that I mentioned are products that we did not have, that were developed specifically in response to the medical treatment that was needed for COVID-19.
But what's the game plan for you down the line? Where do you see yourselves?
We exist in an industry that has huge economies of scale. So we have to achieve scale to be able to innovate, to be able to grow, and to be able to help more patients more efficiently in different parts of the world. So we are trying to achieve that scale. We have an ambitious plan of trying to become one of the top 20 by 2029. Today, we are definitely one of the leading companies in Africa, but again, Africa as a whole is maybe 3% of the global pharma market. So to be one of the top players globally while still being based in Africa is an objective. We want to be one of the top 20, which basically means we need to be 12 times our size in the few years leading up to 2029.